Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to create app folders, then watch this video. So folks, what we can do is we can click on the start button and we will have to pin the apps here. So if any of the apps you want to create a folder for quick reference, then you can just, for example, right click on, let's say, Google Chrome, and then we will pin it. Now Google Chrome is already pinned. So if I want to, for example, also use create a folder along with all the browsers, then I will click on Opera browser pin to start and then look back, and I will find Opera browser in the pinned apps. So for example, I want to create a quick reference folder for all my apps. So what I will do is I will take Google Chrome, scroll up using your mouse scroll wheel, and then just add Google Chrome here. Same thing I will do for Opera. I will scroll up using the scroll wheel and I will put it here. And you can see now it has become a quick reference folder for all my browsers. So I can just click on the start button and then just click once here, it will expand and I can use any browser of my choice. You can do this similar thing for all your favorite quick reference folders. Now what if I don't want these anymore? I don't want to see Opera or Chrome on my pinned app or on this in this folder. So I will just click on it once, take out Chrome and just put it here, and I can drag it wherever I want. If I don't want to see it, I can drag it at the bottom. I can also right click on it and unpin it from start and it will disappear. And that is how you create a folder, folks. And you can also then delete the remove the folder if you don't like. So if this video helped you, then kindly watch this channel, subscribe to the channel and enjoy your day.